In this video today, we are going to be reviewing a forex trading robot. I'm going to show you guys how a forex trading robot actually works, because a lot of people have been falling victim of fake promises telling them they are going to make 1000%, in which they use all their whole money to buy a forex trading robot, and it turns up to be rubbish. They don't even make 1% of their account. So I'm going to educate you how you can actually use a forex trading robot so that you have the idea of what you are buying, right? So first thing first, make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you're just seeing this video for the first time, like this video and turn on the video notification so that whenever we drop a content, or YouTube is going to show this video to other people who is looking for a video like this. And also check on this video description, you are going to see our official Telegram group where we offer our triangular arbitrage board service, that is crypto board, which trade the futures market for you, and also we share free signals on the newly listed token. And this forex trading robot, if you are actually interested on it, make sure you join our official Telegram group also and send admin the direct message. It's going to tell you what to do, how to get the forex robot. Right now, what is a forex trading bot? So a forex trading bot is a software that use algorithm to analyze market data and make trade automatically, right? So it will actually analyze the market for you without you not doing anything. Maybe just block your account and the bot is going to trade for you 24/7, right? So we have the key concept of a forex trading robot, so which I'm going to mention there. So there are three concepts of a forex trading robot. Number one is algorithm, number three is market data, and three is trading platform. Right now, so number one, what is algorithm? So algorithm set the rules and condition that determines when to buy or to sell a currency pair, that is the robot, right? So number two, we have market data. So the bot analyzes real-time market data such as price trend and indicators. So number three, trading platform. So the bot is connected to a trading platform which execute trade for you. All right, now, so how do it work? So a lot of people have been asking me question, how do it work? So how it works. Now, number one, we have market analysis. So the bot analyzes the market data to identify potential trading opportunities based on the algorithm, right? Now, number two, we have trading execution, right? So when the conditions are met, the bot execute trade, buy or sell automatically. So it's going to, when the conditions are met, maybe just like you analyzing the market yourself, right? So now you want, okay, maybe if the market get to a certain point, I'm going to place a buy or I'm going to say, right, something like that. So the bot does all this for you, right? Now, number three, we have risk management. So right now, what is risk management, right? So the bot can be programmed to manage risks such as setting stop loss or take profit target. Okay, of forex trading bots, right? Now we have number one, trend following bot, right? So trend following bot follows the market trend that makes trade based on the momentum, right? Now number two, we have scalping bot. So scalping bot makes multiple small trade to make advantage of small price movement. Number three, we have arbitrage bot, right? So arbitrage bot takes advantage of price differences between two or more markets. So now we are going to be talking about the benefits of a forex trading robot, right? So is emotions, right? So right now, so the bot makes trade based on logic, not emotions, right? So you see, right? So the bot opens trade based on logic. It does not use an emotion, just like you are using an emotion for it to trade even the forex market or the crypto market, right? While the bot is going to use only logic, right? Okay, now number two, so the bot trade 24/7. So the bot can take trade around the clock tick, right? Take advantage of opportunity even when you are not available. So right, you see this now. So the bot can even open trade 24/7 even when you are not around. Maybe you are at work, you are sleeping. Once the bot finds an opportunity, it's going to open trade and make sure you be in profit, right? So take note of this, right? So that is why it's good for you to use a forex trading robot. Okay, now we have another thing, back test, right?
Bots can be tested on historical data to evaluate their performance.
Let's talk about the risks involved in trading bots or EAs. So market volatility. Bots can suggest in high volatile market, right? So number 2, technical issues. So bot can malfunction or experience technical issues. Number 3, over optimization. Bot can be over optimized, leading to poor performance in live trading. Right, a lot of people don't want to let you know. They want you to just invest in what you don't know about. Right. So now let's take a good look of this first robot and let's see the name of this first robot. Now let's dive in over here. Now let's go to the history of this account right here, which you can see this bot is known as eCore, right? It's called EU Core, right? Which you can see for yourself over here. And we made a deposit of $1,167 in this account. So which you can see in 2 months of trading, the bot has made $560, right? So this is what I was telling you. You trading with the forex robot, don't come with the mindset of you making 1000% in a month. So if you are that kind of person, or you are looking for a forex robot that can make 1000% for you, this forex robot is not for you. So this forex robot is for people who has an investor mindset, who believe that they can make money in the forex market and their money is staying safe. So this forex robot is not for people who are gamblers, right? So that is why I'm taking my time for me to explain things for you that you need to know about this forex robot. So if you like the way this robot trade and you want to make a profit trading like this, so just for you to join our official Telegram group. So you send a direct message to admin. So admin is going to tell you what to do, right? Thank you guys for staying with me to the end of this video. So if you learned something today, make sure you drop a like and turn on the video notification so that YouTube can also show this video to people who are interested or looking for a forex trading robot. Thank you guys.